Hello and welcome to wptrainingmanual.com. In this short video, I just want to show you how to actually use the rebrandable version of the WordPress User Manual. So after you've made your purchase and registered, you'll be taken into the members dashboard area. And we've made a separate video that gives you a brief tour of how to use the dashboard area here. But all you need to do is come down to the Access Your Products section, and where it says WordPress User Manual Rebrandable, just click here on the Download the Rebrandable Manual link. And what this will do, this will bring you to your members area where you can actually rebrand the manual. Now, we have step-by-step instructions in the section which you can follow, and it will explain everything if you want to go through the screenshot tutorials, including what to enter in the rebrandable section. And when you're done, if you want to go through the instructions, go through the instructions. When you're ready to create your rebrandable manual, and keep in mind that you can create as many versions of the rebrandable manual as you like. So you can basically, this is useful, you can create a personalized branded manual for every client you have. And also I'll show you if you just want to create a generic manual with your company details on it, you can too. So when you're ready to create your rebrandable manual, just scroll all the way down to the page and click on this button, Rebrand this book. Now this will bring you to a section here where you can enter information into different fields. And once you've completed entering the information and click on the Rebrand this book button, it will actually create a rebrandable version of the WordPress User Manual for you. So let's go through and create a demo rebrandable manual here. So the first field is you enter your website. So this is your website. So let's just say that your company is called the wpdesigncompany.com. So you would enter your web address. Here you enter the actual name of your company. It will display in the manual header. So we'll call this the WP Design Company. Okay, here you enter your client's name. Now, let's just say your client is called Perpetual Client or Perpetual Client Pty Ltd. Let's just say that. Perpetual. Let's get the spelling right. Now, if you don't want to brand the manual with the name of a client, for example, you just want the manual to have your company details but not your clients, you can just replace this with something like WordPress User Manual. Right? You can just do something generic like that. For this example, we're actually going to create a personalized manual for a client, so enter your client's name. Now, if you would like to earn commissions from clients who join the video membership site, you would enter your affiliate ID for the wpmasterclasses.com video membership site here. Just the affiliate ID only, no HTTP or the website URL. Now, there are instructions on how to become an affiliate in other sections of the site. So let's just say that you have become an affiliate, and your affiliate ID is 12345, let's say that. So you would enter that here. You agree to the GDPR form for privacy purposes, and make sure that all of your details are correct. And when they're all fine, just click on Rebrand this book. Now, your manual, you can either, it will either give you a link that you can use to share it with your clients, or you can actually create a downloadable version by just clicking here. Okay, so once the manual has been branded, it will open up on your screen here. And as you can see, we'll just go through here, and you can see that it's added your company name, it's added your client's name, and your client's name appears here as well. And here's your website address. Okay, so this manual now has been branded with your details on it. And if we come here, for example, and take a look at one of the video links, so let's just come to resources, video training. All right, wherever there are videos, if you take a look at the bottom left-hand section here, as I highlight this link, you should see your affiliate ID appears down this section here. So as you can see that there's your ID 12345, which means that if your clients click on the links, join the video training membership site, you earn a commission on this. So let me just go back here. So you've got your manual, it's rebranded, and you can just download it. Let me just make this smaller so you can see. So you can now download the manual to your hard drive and distribute it with your brand. As I said before, you can create as many different brandable versions of the manual as you like. So you can change, you can create one for every client you've got, and you can create a generic one if you'd like to distribute it without having to personalize it to any particular client. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us and we'll help you out. So thank you very much for watching.